Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to freeze last seen on WhatsApp so you can control your privacy and stop others from tracking your activity. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to Settings. On Android, tap the three dots at the top right corner, and on iPhone, tap the gear icon at the bottom, because this is where all privacy controls are located. Step 2. Tap on Privacy from the Settings menu. This section lets you manage who can see your personal information, such as your last seen, profile photo, and status. Step 3. Select Last Seen and Online from the privacy options. This setting is important because it controls both your last active time and your online visibility. Step 4. Under Who Can See My Last Seen, choose Nobody if you want to hide your last seen from everyone. Step 5. If you prefer more control, choose My Contacts, Accept, and select specific people. This option allows you to hide your last seen only from certain contacts while others can still see it. Step 6. Under Who Can See When I'm Online, select Same as Last Seen. This keeps your online status hidden in the same way and ensures better privacy overall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more useful and easy tutorials.